The cow and the tiger vocabulary. 1. Down. Meaning, to a lower place. Sentence, the ball rolled down the hill. 2. Drink. Meaning, to take in liquid. Sentence, I drink water every day. 3. Now. Meaning, at this moment. Sentence, I am reading now. 4. There. Meaning, in that place. Sentence, the book is over there. 5. Together. Meaning, with other people. Sentence, we play together at school. 6. Angry. Meaning, feeling mad. Sentence, he is angry because he lost his toy. 7. Happy. Meaning, feeling good and smiling. Sentence, she is happy on her birthday. 8. Sad. Meaning, feeling bad or wanting to cry. Sentence, he is sad because he lost his pencil. 9. Surprised. Meaning, feeling shocked or not expecting something. Sentence, she was surprised to see a big cake.